Got something a little different for you, but also a bit familiar. This is a prototype from Alienware that they're calling the Concept UFO. Right now, it's not a product that's for sale, but it is working well enough that they decided to show it off at CES. It looks a lot like the Nintendo Switch, and it acts a lot like the Nintendo Switch. One key difference, of course, is that it's a full Windows PC. I did see the developers go into the Windows desktop, and I saw the taskbar, and you can theoretically run apps, but there's a skin to launch games and have a client for all your game library. So there are some custom software running to make it a bit easier to use, but it is actually running Windows. So as you imagine, this is obviously going to be more expensive than the Nintendo Switch, though Alienware would not talk pricing or even components for this just yet. But I can tell you that it was working really well. The controllers come on and off the sides like the Switch, and they go onto a separate grip handle. Again, all of this very familiar from the Switch, but it's very cool to see it working with a Windows PC. It is a bit larger than the Switch, but it does have a more substantial kickstand in the back, so it felt really sturdy to plop down and use remotely. So yes, the Concept UFO may look a lot like the Switch, may act a lot like the Switch, but that doesn't mean it's not cool, and we're really interested to see if Alienware is going to turn this into a full product.